How much does a clinical trial cost? This is a common question biotech companies have when starting their clinical development programs. Let's take a look at the main trial cost drivers. The average cost of phase 1, 2, and 3 clinical trials across therapeutic areas is around 4, 13, and $20 million respectively. These cost estimates were reported by Eileen Surtkaya and colleagues in a report submitted to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Pivotal, Phase 3, studies for new drugs approved by the Food and Drug Administration of the United States, cost a median of $41,117 per patient. This calculation was reported by Thomas J. Moore and colleagues in their study of 59 new therapeutic agents approved by the FDA from 2015 to 2016. The cost of a clinical trial depends on several factors, such as number of patients, number of countries, number of clinical sites, therapeutic area, drug type, and the specific tests and procedures needed per protocol, among other aspects. The number of patients to be recruited is closely related to the study phase. Phase 1 trials require few patients, 15 to 20 on average, while international Phase 3 studies may involve hundreds of subjects, even thousands. Most of the costs involved in a clinical trial are included in the budgets prepared by clinical research organizations, also known as CROs. CROs typically provide the following services: regulatory, study startup, clinical operations, biometrics, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, and trial logistics. CROs are companies specialized in managing clinical studies, so they can help sponsors understand the actual expenses involved in running a clinical trial. If you want to learn more about clinical trial costs, you can visit the articles section of our website. We have written several articles explaining trial execution costs in detail. Get in touch with us today if you have any questions or if you need a CRO budget for your next clinical study.